Welcome to my YouTube channel, Holistic Learner. Today on the occasion of Bhim Rao Ambedkar Jayanti, I am going present his biography in a story. Let's deep dive into the story of Bhim Rao Ambedkar in his own narrative. My Story by Dr. Ambedkar. My name is Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. I was born on 14 April 1891 in a small military cantonment town called Mho, in present-day Madhya Pradesh. I was born into a Mahar caste, which society labeled as untouchable. But from the very beginning, I knew I was more than what society said I was. As a child, I remember the pain of being treated differently. In school, I wasn't allowed to sit on the benches with other children. I had to bring my own sack to sit on. I couldn't even drink water from the common pot unless someone from an upper caste poured it for me. Most days, I went thirsty. I faced caste discrimination from my early childhood. Despite being brilliant, I was treated as untouchable. In school, I wasn't allowed to sit with other students or touch water vessels. I started my education under a tree in my village school. The teacher wouldn't touch Dalit children, so I had to study on the ground, under a tree, with no access to proper materials. I had to carry a gunny bag to sit on, as Dalit students were not allowed to sit on school benches. I carried my own gunny bag every day to sit on the floor. But I was determined. My father, a retired army officer, taught me the value of education. He said, "Knowledge is your true power." I studied hard. I became the first from my community to attend Elphinstone College in Bombay. That day, I didn't just step into a college, I stepped into history. When I got admission to Elphinstone College, Mumbai, I was the first and only Dalit in my class, breaking social barriers. With the support of the Maharaja of Baroda, I traveled abroad for higher education. I studied at Columbia University in New York and London School of Economics. I earned multiple degrees, including a doctorate in economics, and became one of the most educated Indians of my time. I had multiple doctorates from prestigious universities like Columbia University, USA, and London School of Economics, UK, a rare feat in my time. I had mastery in 64 subjects, was fluent in 11 languages, and had deep knowledge of economics, law, political science, and sociology. But even with all this knowledge, when I returned to India, I was still seen as an untouchable. But even with all this knowledge, when I returned to India, I was still seen as an untouchable. I began to fight, not with weapons, but with words, laws, and movements. I launched newspapers like Muk Nayak and Bahishkrit Bharat. I organized protests, like the Mahad Satyagraha, where we demanded the right to drink water from public tanks. I spoke loudly and clearly against the inhuman caste system and its cruelty. When India gained independence, I was called upon to write the Constitution of India. I poured my soul into it. I made sure it promised liberty, equality, and fraternity for all, regardless of caste, creed, or gender. I gave voice to the voiceless. That constitution was not just a legal document, it was the dream of a just India. I also fought for women's rights, pushing for laws that would allow women to own property and choose their own destiny. But when these reforms were blocked, I resigned from my post as law minister, standing by my principles. I realized true equality could not exist in a society divided by caste. So, in 1956, I embraced Buddhism, a religion of compassion and equality. Along with me, over 500,000 people took the same path. It was not just a religious change, it was a revolution of the mind and soul. On 6 December 1956, I left this world, but I hope I left behind a flame that lights the path of every child who is told they are less. I want them to know, you are not less, you are powerful, you are worthy, you are free. Educate, agitate, organize. These were my words. Let them be your guiding force. I am Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, a son of India, a servant of justice, and a voice that still echoes in every struggle for human dignity. This is the story of Bhim Rao Ambedkar in his own narrative. I hope you have liked it and it has given you knowledge and fire to do big in life and fought for equality and justice. Thank you for watching and listen this story based on Bhim Rao Ambedkar in his own narrative. Thank you and do like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.